Good afternoon, everyone. I will be brief given the weather conditions. On this important occasion of the annual commencement, the AUIS Board of Trustees wanted to take this opportunity to recognize Dr. Bruce Walker Ferguson's 8 years of indispensable leadership of this institution. This will be Bruce's last commencement as president. Under his leadership, these 8 years experienced impressive growth, significant achievements, and distinction to AUIS. If we look back at 2016, when Dr. Bruce took on this role, the programmatic and academic offerings have expanded exponentially. Significant investments in the academic programming, student life at the university, and support to students to find and build the opportunities for their careers after graduation have led to an employment rate of almost 90% of our students upon graduation. Dr. Bruce has been a source of stability, strength, and integrity for AUIS, providing the university with the steady hand it has needed to persevere through some of the most challenging and uncertain times. He has navigated the university and has been a calm and stabilizing presence. He has led the university also through exciting times and important moments. For example, how he embraced our Afghan brothers and sisters when their education was imperiled in their country. He led the university with devotion, steadfastness, courtesy, thoughtfulness, and innovative thinking that has made a difference in the lives of so many students, graduates, to the staff and the faculty of the university. The AUIS Board of Trustees owes him a debt of gratitude for this leadership the last 8 years. We also wish you success in your future endeavors and great happiness in rejoining your family in the United States. We thank you for your service, and we will look forward to the legacy he has left, which is all of these incredible future leaders of Iraq and Kurdistan graduating today and in the years to come. Thank you, Dr. Bruce.